Hello, if you're new here, welcome you to my channel. This is Health and Lifestyle, and in this channel I show you healthy recipes on how to live a healthy, balanced lifestyle whereby you can live a normal life, eat the normal food, and while losing weight. So in this particular recipe, I'll be showing you a very healthy drink that is good for your immunity, and it's an antioxidant drink as well, and also help you in your weight loss journey. So the ingredients are the green apples, some grapefruits, some pomegranate, and some citron, and some ginger. So those are basically the ingredients I'll be using on this particular healthy drink. It is so good, it tastes so good, and it's so amazing. And one beautiful thing about this drink is it is so healthy because it helps in your ability, in your brain activity, to prevent brain cognitive impairment, and also help packed with fibers and antioxidants, also reducing inflammation as you take this healthy drink. I'm just playing along with fruits. I just love to play along with fruits and stuff, food in general. I just like to play along with them and try other things, try every possible ways to merge things and produce a healthy food. So this is the journey. If you're someone who is very inquisitive and wants to also embark on this journey of my own inquisitive, so you can join this channel, consider subscribing to this channel, and I hope you will enjoy every bit of it. My recipes are just special. You won't find it anywhere. Apart from the normal juicing that is going around the internet everywhere, you wouldn't find this mixture of ingredients. These are my ingredients of choice and based on my own preference. So you can decide to pair yours with every other fruit you want. But I am so fascinated with mixing things and trying new things and doing the undoable and thinking the unthinkable. That's just me. So I've just assembled the ingredients. The most difficult part was this pomegranate, to undo it and take out the seeds like this. It takes so much time, and I got tired at one point. I decided to use just 4 of those. So I decided to keep one for myself later on, that I will dwell on later in this week. So guys, everything is ready and well prepped, just the way it will fit into my juicer, and everything is ready. The pomegranate is also ready, and just 4 of those produce this quantity, and you'll be amazed at the quantity of juice it will come out of it. I mean, I'm so fascinated about this particular recipe. I just want to but just follow with me and we'll test together, and I hope you try as well. Now it's time for the juicing. I'm just pushing that through into my blender, and this time around I was very conscious not so that it should spill, not to have a lot of spills around. So just setting that into my blender, and within a few seconds everything has been blended well. Now it's time to blend my pomegranate I'm just putting that into my blender. The most difficult part of this blender is how small it is to send stuff like this. It's quite difficult to choose such fruit that is of this nature. So I'm just managing it for the moment while I'm thinking of getting a good juicer. So it actually took me a while to send that in, to be very precise to get it in. And I was so amazed at each of the quantity I set in. Look at the quantity of juice it came out of it. I was just wondering what quantity of juice I'm going to get from this, but I got a cup, one of this measuring cup, and half of this quantity. So I was so amazed at the quantity of water content that this pomegranate contain on itself. I don't know if it is this particular one I got or this is just how it is. So we will get to follow on the next episodes, on the next videos I'm going to be posting out to see. So now everything has been well blended, and this is how it is. This is how my blender is. My juicer is inside. So you can just see how the thing crushed everything out of it. Even the seeds were crushed. So those of you worried about what do you do with the rest of the fiber, the most important part of it has been juiced out. So I don't think we should really worry about the fiber that is being juiced out and then thrown away. I don't think that is really a problem, because the most important thing has been juiced out. Because on a normal note, I will not be able to drink or eat this fruit on a normal day. I will not be able to take this fruit on a normal day. But when I juice them like this, it's easier for me to consume. And so, even while I am home or I am at work, it makes more easier for me to drink. Because I bet you, during this cold season, it's quite difficult for one to keep hydrated, and which the body also needs the hydration because of the weather. So majority of us don't drink appropriately, and those of us who drink, when we take a cup of tea, it's just okay. When we take a cup of coffee, it's okay. But we need to drink water. We need to drink appropriately. The required amount of fluids that we're supposed to take as an adult a day is 2,000 mils. How many of us would drink that amount in a day? But having these juices like this, making it easier for me to have to be able to determine how much quantity of fluids I take in. Like, for example, a container of this is almost like 500 mils. So me taking 2 or 3 of these in a day, plus other fluids like water, like tea, like coffee, it makes it so good. Just hear my reaction after tasting this. Get that reaction.
so delicious. I don't know how to describe this. It's a little bit sour and quite sweet, and it's a kind of blend that I can't really explain, but it's so delicious. Like, it is so delicious. You should try this. Cheers. Oh my
Please
God.
guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like
So
and share
good.
my videos. Till we meet
So delicious.
again. See you next time. Ciao ciao.